This video we will see how to fix system restore error code 0x80042308 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system restore error code, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is right click on start button and choose run. Run dialog box will open. Here type services.msc in search field and click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Here in the available list of services, look for volume shadow volume services. Volume shadow services. Scroll down and you will find volume shadow copy services. Simply right click on it and first choose start. If you already found it in start mode, then restart it. Start or restart volume shadow copy services in your system. This is the first and initial workaround to fix this issue. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic. Click on a small arrow and choose automatic. And finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, check whether your system restore error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is open File Explorer. Press Win plus E shortcut key, and you can also directly open File Explorer. Here, go to C drive where your program files exist. Right click on it and choose Properties. Here, from the top menu bar, go to Security and make sure that under System Groups Username, all permission by system is allowed. If you don't found it in allowed mode, then click on Edit. To change permission, click Edit and go to System Group or usernames and make sure that all is ticked against allow. And finally, click on Apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your system restore error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to Windows Search and here type create a system restore point. Create a different system restore point. Click on Open. Here at the bottom of the page, click on Create a system restore point. Click on Create. Make sure that system protection turned on. Click on Create. Assign a name of this system restore point. For example, we will choose Windows Update. Type a description to help you identify the restore point. The current data and time are added automatically. So for example, we will keep it with Windows Update and click on Create. It will take few seconds. Wait, and once successfully created system restore point, go to System Restore Windows. To open System Restore Windows, you will receive a message. The system restore point was created successfully. Close the windows and right click on Start button. Choose Run and here type RSTRUI. This command will open System Restore Windows in your system, and here you can easily proceed System restore system files and settings with your newly created Windows Update restore point. And check whether your system restore error code in your system resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The one more fixes is go to Windows Search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode, and in command prompt windows execute the command dism tool and sfc scan now command as shown on screen. Execute all these three dism tool: dism online scan health, dism online check health, dism online restore health. Execute one by one followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of these three dism tool, execute the command sfc scan now. And finally restart your system. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.